Welcome to this lecture on Floyd Warshall Algorithm by Dr. Rajesh Singh.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
So today we are going to do the last topic of our syllabus. In fact, this is not in our syllabus, but you should know this algorithm which we are going to do today, which is Floyd Warshall algorithm. Okay, so last time we did Dijkstra algorithm and improved Dijkstra algorithm. Today we will do Floyd Warshall algorithm. Okay, it is again an algorithm to find the shortest path between any two vertices in a graph. In fact, with this algorithm, you will be able to find the shortest distance between any two pair of vertices. Okay, so in Dijkstra algorithm or improved Dijkstra's algorithm, we start with any initial vertex, right? But in this algorithm, we will not start with any vertex. So we will get the shortest distance between any two pair of vertices. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let us just start with this. So as I've already told you in the previous class, that complexity of this algorithm is order n to the power cube. So it is similar to your Dijkstra algorithm, which is also of order n cube, right? So, but what is the advantage of this algorithm is if you want to calculate distance between all the pair of vertices, then that Dijkstra algorithm so then because Dijkstra algorithm, you start with any initial vertex, right? So you will have to apply Dijkstra algorithm to n vertices. So its order will become order of n to the power 4 when you will calculate. So order of n to the power 4. This will be a complexity of Dijkstra's algorithm. If you want to find, if you want to find distance between any pair of vertices, okay? Yeah, all the pair of vertices, then it will be order of n to the power 4. Okay, but this is still order of n cube. So this becomes a better algorithm when you are needed to find the distance between all the pair of vertices, because it will take a lesser time in solving this any given question. Okay, so let us just start with this Floyd Warshall algorithm. So these are the two steps. Again, here is also there are two steps, and second step is an iterative step. So basically it repeats for every value of k. So this is the to find the shortest distance between all pair of vertices in a weighted graph where the vertices are v1, v2, vn. So there are n vertices, and we carry out the following procedure. So first step is for each I equal to 1 to n, we set dii equal to 0, where dii denotes the edge distance from I to I. Okay, basically it denotes the distance between from I to I. So because the vertices are same, I and I, vi and vi, di basically represents, dij basically represents the distance between vi and vj. Okay, so by dij, if vi vj is an edge, then we denote by dij be the weight of this edge. Otherwise, we take dij to be infinity. Okay, is it fine? So it is similar to forming a adjacency matrix, but with an additional condition that instead of taking 1, we take the weight of the edge. Okay, and instead of taking 0, we take the infinity as the weight of that edge. Okay, if two vertices are not adjacent, then we put infinity at that place. Okay, so basically we form a matrix, okay, where dij is equal to, it is equal to 0 if I is equal to j, it is equal to weight of the edge e if weight of vi vj. Okay, weight of the edge vi vj, where if vi is adjacent to Vj. Okay, and third we take infinity if Vi is not adjacent to Vj. ठीक है, so it is similar to forming a similar to adjacency matrix. ठीक है, adjacency matrix में क्या लेते हैं, 0 if I is equal to j and 1 if I is not equal to j. So instead of 1 we are putting two different values. First, if the two vertices are adjacent, we put the weight of the edge, and if the vertices are not adjacent, we put infinity at that place. Okay, is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is how, so this is the first step. So in the first step we form a matrix, and then what we do is we create another matrix for each value of k. So we perform n iterations. Okay, so we perform n iterations. So at first step, when we take k equal to 1 and we generate a new matrix, and which is obtained by this formula. So now our dij will become minimum of previous value of dij. Okay, previous value of dij and dik plus dkj. Okay, so if k is equal to 1 and if we want to find d13, then it will be minimum of previous d13, that is from the last matrix, and then we add, because we are taking k equal to 1, so d11 plus d13. Okay, so we add these two and we check which is the minimum, so we take the minimum value as the new d13. Okay, at the k equal to 1. So similarly we find all the again, so for k equal to 1 we find a matrix, then for k equal to 2 we find a matrix, and for k equal to n we find a matrix. So at the end, the matrix that we obtain, it gives all the values of distance between vi and vj. Okay, so when we receive at the kth step, nth step, we receive a matrix. Okay, so we receive this matrix d11, d12, d1n, and similarly dn1, dn2, and so on. So we receive this matrix, and this the what we have is, in this matrix, what is there, each dij represents the shortest distance between vi and vj. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
So is this algorithm clear to everyone? So how we are proceeding? So first we are forming, at the first step we are forming a matrix in which we take 0 if the I is equal to I, and we take the weight of the edge if two vertices are adjacent, and we take infinity if the two vertices are not adjacent. Then at the next step we take k equal to 1 and we generate a new matrix using the last matrix and also this formula. So we apply this formula to generate a new matrix, and for each k equal to 1 to n we keep on doing this, and at the nth step the matrix that we get, it gives the distance, shortest distance from vi to vj. Okay, so is it clear, this algorithm, how we are going to work? Now let us see an example, then it will be more clear. So let us work with an example. So let me give you an example. Question: find the shortest distance between each pair of vertices in the following graph using Floyd Warshall algorithm. Okay, so this is the graph given to us. Okay, so what is the first step? Initial stage. Initial stage we form a matrix. Matrix क्या आएगी हमारे पास?
Diagonal entry is 0.
Yes. Yes, Anil.
A 6x6 matrix with diagonal.
Yes, 6x6 matrix, because it will, there are 6 vertices, so 6x6 matrix will be there. So 1 2 3 4 5. One more line we can add. Okay, we get a 6x6 matrix, and with each entry, diagonal entry, so v11 is 0, v22 is 0. Okay, let us first form this initial matrix. So what will be vd? So this is d11, right? Okay, first let us calculate all the value. Let us just write d11 is 0. Okay, then d12, what is d12?
1.
1. Weight of the edge 1 2. Okay, if there is no edge, then we will put infinity. Then d13,
3.
3, d14
Infinity.
was, oh yes, d14 is infinity, d15
1.
1, and d16
4.
4. Okay, so this is how we get this matrix. So similarly we can generate all the entries. So let us, now we can draw the matrix. So इसी तरह से generate करना है तुम्हें matrix, ठीक है? So you can simply write the matrix. Let us just start. So अभी 1 से देखते जाओ सारे, ठीक है? So 1, then you come to this, so there is NH3, then you come to 4, so there is no H, so 0, then you come to 5, there is 1 H, so 1. You just keep an eye on this. Okay, so then 6, अच्छा sorry, you did a mistake, 3 का miss कर दिया ना हमने.
Sir,
Oh, sorry.
D11 equal to
1
0.
1
Where?
1 1, then 3, then 0, then 1, and then 4, right? I have next up v2 pin, keep an eye on v2, so v21 is 1. Okay, then it is v22 is 0, v23 is 1, v24 is 0, v25
So
is 2, right? 3 तो इस पे है, ये वाला 2 है, right? And then v26 is 0, right? Sorry, infinity. Infinity, 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 right? Now come to third, v3. So v3 से 1 पे there is an edge, so 3. ये बिल्कुल सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स बन जाएगा, ठीक है? क्योंकि v13 और v31 is same, right? dij will be equal to dji, right? Yes,
yes, sir.
dij will be equal
Yes.
to dji. So हमें बस एक साइड का बनाना है, इधर का अपने आप ही एंट्रीज आती रहेंगी. ओके, क्योंकि ये सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स होगा, एज तो वही है, सो dij will always be equal to dji. ओके, नाउ ये 3 हो गया, देन अब क्या करना है हमें?
1.
यस 3 सेम, सो ये हो जाएगा अपना
Sir,
1
D32 equal to 1.
3 1 4, so 1, and then अब ये रो आएगी ना, दिस, so 1 0 1 infinity 2 8, now 0. यस, अब इसके बाद ये एंट्रीज पुट करनी है. सो v33 हो गया, देन v34 is there is an edge 3, v35 no edge, infinity, v36 no edge, infinity. Okay, then ये 3 infinity, infinity, then 0. Okay, okay, now come to this v4 5, there is an edge, and v4 6 there is an edge with edge distance 2, so 1 2 0. अब इधर ये हो गया अपना v5, तो v5 के साथ क्या है, v6, so 2. ठीक है, इज इट फाइन?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ओके, let us match this with the given answer. So okay, so 0 1 3 infinity 1 4 1 0 1 infinity 2 a infinity 3 1 0 3 infinity 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 3 0 1 2, then 1 2 infinity 1 0 2 4 infinity infinity 2 2 0. Fine. Okay, अब next step we will take k equal to 1. Okay, so अब सेकंड स्टेप पे आ गए हैं और k इक्वल टू 1 पुट कर रहे हैं, हमें n तक वैल्यूज पुट करनी है। सो यहाँ पे 6 तक वैल्यूज पुट करनी है बेसिकली, k इक्वल टू 6 तक। दिस इज द इनिशियल टेबल, इसको रख लेते हैं साइड में क्योंकि हमें कैलकुलेट करना होगा। ओके, so now we have to again form a table. So 1 6, so first अब k इक्वल टू 1 है, so k इक्वल टू 1, so d11 क्या हो जाएगा अपना, d11 is equal to minimum of d11 comma d11 plus d11 which is again 0, right? ठीक है, yes.
Yes, sir.
अब d12 निकालो, d12 is minimum of d12 and d11 plus d12, so which is again d12 इस केस में भी, so it is same 1, सेम ही आ जाएगा ये पूरा क्योंकि अभी 1 ही लिया हुआ है k इक्वल टू 1, सो ये फर्स्ट स्टेप तो पूरा सेम आ जाएगा क्योंकि d11 0 है हमारा और बाकी सेम का सेम है, सो इट विल बी सिमिलर, राइट?
Yes, sir.
यस, और इट्स सेम क्योंकि ये सिमेट्रिक रहेगा, सो इट विल बी दिस। ओके ओके, सॉरी ये 0 मत लिखो अभी। अब नेक्स्ट वी हैव टू फॉर्म दिस d22 is minimum of d21 d12, so ये तो 0 है, d21 क्या है अपना, d21 is this 1 and d12 is 1, so 2 हो गया, ठीक है? Is it fine? We are getting 2 here.
So minimum.
अच्छा सॉरी, यस मिनिमम इज 0, ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है, डायगोनल तो सारे ही 0 आ जाएंगे क्योंकि उनका मिनिमम लेना है ना, मैं सॉरी मैक्सिमम लेने चला गया था मैं, ठीक है? डायगोनल एंट्रीज विल ऑल बी 0, राइट? क्योंकि मिनिमम वैल्यू 0 ही आएगी, इससे बड़ा तो कुछ, इससे छोटा तो कुछ है नहीं हमारे पास, नेगेटिव में तो कुछ है नहीं, सो डायगोनल्स विल ऑलवेज बी 0, सो डायगोनल निकालने की जरूरत ही नहीं है हमारे को। यस, नाउ d21 सॉरी d23, d21 तो ये अपने पास है ही, नाउ d23 विल बी मिनिमम ऑफ d23 and d21 plus d13, so what are they, d21 is 1 and d13 is 3, so this 1 plus 3 4, ठीक है? so minimum क्या होगा, सॉरी ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे 1 था, so और इधर 4 आ रहा है, so minimum will be 1, right? yes
Yes, sir.
ओके, अब नेक्स्ट है, इधर इन्फिनिटी है और इसको ऐड करेंगे 1 प्लस इन्फिनिटी, सो बेसिकली ये देखो यहाँ पे d21 के साथ ही सब ऐड हो रहे हैं, जो भी होगा नेक्स्ट स्टेप d, ये जो भी आएगा नेक्स्ट d14, ठीक है? सो d21 प्लस इन्फिनिटी, ठीक है? सो ये क्या हो जाएगा अपना इन्फिनिटी, दोनों इन्फिनिटी है, सो इन्फिनिटी रहेगा, फिर अगेन इधर 2 है और इधर 1 प्लस 1 2, सो अगेन वी गेट 2 हियर, सो देन इधर इन्फिनिटी है, इधर 1 प्लस 4 5, so we get 5, so first change आ गया है यहाँ पे, is it fine?
Yes, sir.
okay, now next बनाते हैं, so next ये यहाँ से ये वाले ऐड होते रहेंगे, ठीक है? इसी के corresponding वाले ऊपर से ही बना सकते, देख सकते हो, so this will be 1 infinity 2 5, now come to this, so this is your this entry, okay? and this entry के लिए 3 plus infinity, which is infinity, so 3 will be minimum. Okay, then for this entry 3 plus 1 4, right? And for this entry 3 plus 4 7. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, so इस तरह से यहाँ से देख सकते हो आराम से, सीधे इस तरह से मैच करते हुए this and this, then this and this, then this and this, so ये वाली रो आ जाएगी पूरी, again this and this, so इस तरह से you can match it, and यहाँ पे 3 4 7, so थोड़ी प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो you will get the speed also. ठीक है, अब come to this entry, so यहाँ पे 1 है and this is infinity, so 1 ही आ जाएगा ऐड करोगे तो, और क्योंकि यहाँ पे infinity है तो ये भी 2 ही रहेगा, right? Yes,
Yes, sir.
क्योंकि ये infinity ऐड होगा तो infinity ऐड होगा तो बड़ा ही रहेगा, तो हमें मिनिमम लेना है, so this will be, so now come to last entry, this is 2 and यहाँ पे 1 plus 4 which is 5. ठीक है, so 2 ही रहेगा यहाँ पे. Let us match with the given answer. After k equal to 1 we get, so is it the same? 0 1 3 infinity 1 4, 0 1 infinity 2 5, 0 3 4 7, 0 1 2, 0 2, right? ठीक है, is it fine? Now let us take
Yes,
k
sir.
equal to 2, at k equal to 2. ठीक है, so our dij will basically be equal to minimum of dij and di2 plus d2j. ठीक है, so d12 will be this, d22 will be this, d32, so now we will add this column and what we add d2, so this column. ठीक है, इस तरह से ऐड करते रहेंगे इधर और इधर. ठीक है, this one and this one. Fine, this column and this column we will add, so ये formula याद रखना. So let us just do it. So again diagonals will be 0 क्योंकि वो तो 0 ही है हमारे पास, so 0 0 2 3 4 5 और 6. Okay, so now we are going to add, so basically we are going to add basically we are going to add this and this, right? ये चेक करना है हमें. Okay, so this is your d12, so ये क्या आएगा d12, yes d12 बताओ.
1.
So यहाँ पे d12 is 1, right? क्योंकि it is d12 is 1 here, and when what you will add, you will add this one along with this, so 1 plus 1 2, same cheez, d21 d12 is d12 and d12 plus d22 is 0, so 1 plus 0. ठीक है, now next d13,
2.
it is here, it is 3, and what you will add is you will add d13 is d12 plus d23, so d12 is okay, this one plus this one, right? So 2. Now d14, so d14 यहाँ पे
Infinity.
it is infinity here, and what you will add is d12 plus infinity. So this one, 1 plus infinity, right? So it will be still be infinity, right? Now then d1 4, so you will add d1 to this one along with d2 4. So this one, 1 plus 2, which is, yes, 1 plus 2 is
3, but
3. So
D1,
but we already have 1 here, so it will be 1. Now 1 plus 5 is 6 and it is 4, so we will keep it 4, right? Is it fine?
yes, sir.
So 0 1 2 infinity 1 4. Now let us take the next. So now this will be our entry and it will be added with all the other entries, right? 0 0 1, all these entries. Okay, so now this is 1 and 0 plus 1 is, क्योंकि अब हमें d2 3 निकालना है. d2 3 is d2 2 plus d2 3. So it will be 0 plus this. So 0 ऐड करना है सब में. So same रह जाएगा, right? It will be same. Yes, क्योंकि हमें 0 ऐड करना है ना इसमें. 0 1 0 infinity 0 2, ये पूरा. ठीक है? Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
अब नेक्स्ट हमें 1 ऐड करना है इसी में. So 1 ऐड करोगे तो क्या आ जाएगा? 1 plus 3 is 4, right? But here we have 3, so it will be 3 only. 1 plus 4 is 5. Here we have 4, so ये सेम ऐसे कैसा ही आ जाएगा. Then okay, अब now we are adding infinity, so infinity ऐड करेंगे तो again it will be same, right? So 0 1 2 1 2 and then अब क्या ऐड करना है हमें? We have to add
Sir, D3, D3 5 should be 3
d3 5. This one.
next to this.
Okay, okay, 4. यहाँ पे d3 5 में क्या ऐड कर रहे हैं? d3 5 में हम ये 1 ऐड कर रहे हैं ना.
सर हम मिनिमम लेंगे ना D3 5 का एंड D3 2 प्लस D2 5 का.
देखो d3 5 is your d3 2 plus d2 5, right?
सर
अच्छा
मिनिमम
सॉरी यहाँ पे 1 ऐड इसमें ऐड कर रहे हैं 1. सॉरी, आई मेड अ मिस्टेक. ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है, यू आर राइट. इसको चेक करना पड़ेगा हमें, because we are going to add this to here. So 1 infinity will be 1 plus infinity. So यहाँ पे ये infinity है, so ये 3 रह जाएगा अपना. Then 1 plus 2 is 3. Here it is 4, so we will get 3. And 1 plus 5 is 6, and here it is 7, so we will get 6, right? Now infinity हमें ऐड करना है, तो इसलिए ये पूरा सेम रह जाएगा, right? मैंने गलत रो में ऐड कर दिया था, इसमें ऐड कर दिया था. देन नेक्स्ट हमें 2 ऐड करना है. 2 कौन सी एंट्री में? 5 में. 2 5 is 7 और यहाँ पे 2 है, so it will be, ठीक है? Is it fine?
सर D5 3 is also 3 and D6 3 is 6.
अच्छा ये मैंने चेंज नहीं करा इधर नीचे. अच्छा सॉरी दिस वन नीचे चेंज नहीं करा. ठीक है, इट इज फाइन. ठीक है, सो ये क्योंकि सिमेट्री है तो हमें इस साइड का ये सेम निकालना था. ओके, लेट अस चेक द आंसर आल्सो नाउ. ओके, so this is the answer. 0 1 2 infinity 1 4 infinity 2 5 3 3 6 1 2 2. Fine. Okay, k equal to 3. So now we will add this row, this to this, right? Okay, this to this, ये ध्यान रखेंगे तब कैलकुलेशन में मिस्टेक नहीं होगी. 1 2 3 4 5 0 0 0 0 0 0. So first, so we will add 2 to this. So 2 1 will give us, yes. अब हमें d2 3 निकालना है ना. So yes, so d2 d1 3, oh sorry, d1 2 निकालना है. So it will be d1 2 will be d1 3 plus d3 2, right? Yes. So d1 3 is this. So 2 add करना है हमें सब में. So d3 2 is 2 here. It will be 2 plus 1. What is this? 3. और हमें initially क्या है हमारे पास 1. So it will be 1, right? Is it right?
Yes, sir.
अब हमें 2 को 0 से ऐड करना है तो we will get 2 which is again 2. So ये सेम हो जाएगा. Then we have to add 2 to 3. So you will get 5. और यहाँ पे infinity है. So minimum will be 5. Then 2 plus 3 5. यहाँ पे 1. So it will be 1. Then 2 plus 6 8. And here it is 4. Right? Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
अब हमें ये ऐड करना है. So 1 को 0 में ऐड करेंगे तो we get 1 which is 1 again. Then we will add 1 to 3, so which is 4. और यहाँ पे infinity है, so we will get 4. Then 1 3 is 4, here 2, so 2. 1 6 is 7, here 5, so it will be 5. Let's check, is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now अब come to this. So next entry, अब 0 ऐड करना है हमें इसमें 3 में. So 0 ऐड करेंगे तो बिल्कुल सेम ही रह जाएगा क्योंकि इसी में ऐड करना है. 0 plus 3, right? So it will be 3 3 6, no change, right? And then we will add 3 to this 3. So 3 plus 3 is 6, and what we have here is 1. So ये 1 आ जाएगा. अगेन हम क्योंकि ये तो 3 तो इससे बड़े ही हैं दोनों, तो ये 2 भी आ जाएगा. ठीक है? Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
अब नेक्स्ट अगेन 3 इन दोनों से बड़ा ही है तो कुछ भी ऐड करोगे तो यू गेट, तो ये सेम हो जाएगा.
Sir, one was left in the first column.
अच्छा हाँ हाँ ठीक. 1 2 5 1 4, गलत हो गया. 1 2 5 1 4. Okay, then 1 4 2 5. Then 3 3 6 1 2. So k equal to 3 हो गया. Then you get this. So just match it. Yes, fine. ठीक है, is it fine? 2 5 1 4 4 2 5 3 3 6 1 2 2. Okay, so this one is also correct. Now we want to calculate k equal to 4. At k equal to 4, so let me just give you the table here so that we can match. So k equal to 4 में क्या होगा? हम फोर्थ कॉलम को इस फोर्थ रो से ऐड करेंगे, राइट? So fourth column and our fourth row. ठीक है। सो लेट अस जस्ट जल्दी जल्दी बनाते हैं इसे। जीरो 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 जीरो। ओके नाउ 5 + 4 इज 9 राइट, और यहाँ पे 1 है, सो इट विल बी 1। अब ये तो 5 ऐड कर रहे हैं, 5 सबसे बड़ा है इस पूरे इसमें, तो ये सेम का सेम ही आ जाएगा राइट, कोई भी चेंज नहीं होगा। ठीक है, अगेन अब नाउ कम टू दिस। सो 4 इन सबसे बड़ा है, ठीक है, 4 इन सारी एंट्री से बड़ा है क्योंकि इस रो में 4 ऐड करना है, सो अगेन इट विल बी सेम 1 4 2 5 राइट। इज इट फाइन? क्योंकि देखो 4 ऐड करना है, इधर कुछ भी 4 में ऐड करोगे तो इधर तो बड़ा ही होता जाएगा क्योंकि सारी एंट्री, अच्छा 5 वाली एंट्री छोटी है, तो एक लास्ट चेक कर लेते हैं हम, जो ये आएगी, ये किससे आएगी, 4 + 2 8 विच इज 5, सो ये 5 ही रह जाएगा। ठीक है ना, आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट?
यस सर।
क्योंकि देखो 5 इन
Yes,
सारी
sir.
एंट्री से बड़ा है और हमें इसमें ऐड करना है, तो 5 कुछ भी ऐड करके 5 और बड़ा ही होगा, या 5 रहेगा या 5 से बड़ा होगा। सो यहाँ पे इसलिए नाउ कम टू 3। सो 3 में अब ये देखो, तो ये एंट्रीज बस 6 बड़ा है, तो 6 को चेक कर सकते हैं, और 6 को चेक करोगे तो 3 + 2 5 और इधर 6 है, तो यू विल गेट 5 राइट।
यस सर।
अब नेक्स्ट स्टेप में हमें 0 ऐड करना है, सो इसको चेक कर सकते हैं हम, क्योंकि 0 की एंट्री, सो 0 + 1 विल गिव यू 1, सो विच इज 1, ये तो 1 2 ही रह जाएगा क्योंकि 0 ही ऐड कर रहे हैं। अब नाउ कम टू दिस, सो 1 ऐड करना है और इधर हमारे पास 2 है, सो 1 + 2 3 और इधर 2 है, सो इट विल स्टिल बी 2 राइट। 5 3 3 5 1। सही है सब, कोई गलती तो नहीं है? लेट अस जस्ट मैच इट। Okay, it is fine. Now we are going to add these two rows. इसको कर लेने से इजी हो जाता है राइट, मार्कअप कर लेने से। सो वी विल टेक so at k = 5, so fifth row and this, so diagonal entries तो सारी 0 3 4 5 6। ओके फाइन। अब हमारा फर्स्ट एंट्री 1 सब में ऐड करना है, सो 1 + 2 is 3, यहाँ पे 1 है, so it will be 1, 1 + 3 is 4 2, so it will be 2, 1 + 1 is 2, it is 5, so we will put 2, 1 + 0 is 1, here 1 right, and 1 + 2 is 3, here 4, so 3 right, is that fine?
यस सर।
Okay, next अब हमें 2 ऐड करना है, so 2 + 3 is 5, here it is 1, so we'll keep it 1, 2 + 1 is 3, here it is 4, so we will put 3, 2 + 0 is 0, it is 2, so 2, 2 + 2 is 4, it is 5, so 4 right. Now come here, 3 + 1 is 4, here it is 3, so we will put it 3, then 3, 3 + 2 is 5, here it is 5, so it is 5, and come here. Okay, so 1 + 0 is 1, so you put 1, 1 + 2 is 3, here it is 2, so it is 2, come here, 0 + 2, it is 2. Fine. Let us just match the answer what we get. 1 2 2 1 3 1 3 2 4 3 3 5 1 2 2. Fine. Okay. So last step. So now we are going to add this column with this, right? At k equal to 6. And that will give us the answer also at k equal to 6 0 0 0 4 5 6. ओके, तो 3 है, 3 इन सबसे बड़ा है, सो ये बिल्कुल सेम टू सेम आ जाएगा, राइट। अब नेक्स्ट 4 है, 4 इन सबसे बड़ा है, तो ये बिल्कुल सेम आ जाएगा। इधर 5 है, 5 इन सबसे बड़ा है, सो नो चेंज अगेन। 2 है, 2 इन सबसे बड़ा है, सो नो चेंज। 2 2, राइट। तो कोई चेंज ही नहीं आया। So let us just match the answer. After k equal to 6, we have this. So 1 2 2 3 2 4 3 3 5 1 2 2. Yes. So this is the answer, right? So each dij will give you, each entry will give you the distance, shortest distance, right? So then dii dij gives, so dij gives the shortest distance between vi and vj. Okay, is it fine?
Yes, sir.
So this is your answer. So this is how you need to do this Floyd Warshall algorithm. So you will form the initial matrix, then you will take the first row, first column like this, and add all the corresponding terms and check whether which one is minimum. Then take second column, second row, and add the corresponding terms and check whether it is minimum or not. Okay, fine. So with practice, you will get the speed also in doing this question. Okay, so okay, so this much is enough for today. Okay, so any questions anyone want to ask?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So then let me end this meeting. So bye everyone, have a good day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for watching this video. To stay updated, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Cosmos Learning. Happy learning through Cosmos Learning. To watch more, click on any of these cards. Thank you once again.